Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agung Diki Purnomo Aji. I from Class 3B Komputer Engineering Politeknik Harapan Bersama. Computer are electronic devices that have a big influence on human life, especially for those who are involved in the world of technology or IT daily, especially for a computer technician. Certainly, you will be familiar with computer components. In general, computer components are divided into four parts, namely the input component or input device, the process component or processing device, the storage component or storage, and the output component or output device. The first component there is an input device. Number 1. Keyboard. The keyboard is built with several additional keys with various functions. Number 2. Mouse. A mouse is a computer component that functions to move a pointer, command pointer, or program on the monitor. Number 3. Scanner. Scanner is a computer component that functions to convert manual image into digital image or digital data. Number 4. Floppy disk. A floppy disk is a device that has a monitor function to play a floppy disk and also read and write data on the computer. The last, optical drive. Optical drive is a computer component that has the same function as floppy disk, that is, it can be used as an input component when it used to read data and as output component when it used to store data. The second component of the process device include motherboard. The motherboard is the most important component in the computer which serves as a place to install other process component. Number 2. Processor. The processor is a computer component that also has a very important role in the computer. The processor is also known as the brain of a computer. The last, power supply. Power supply is a computer component that functions to convert AC current or voltage into DC current or voltage and distribute it to various other computers into the CPU. The third component of the storage device include number 1. Memory or RAM. Memory is a component that functions to process data and feature on a computer. The last, hard disk. Hard disk is a computer component that serves as the main media for data storage on the computer. The last component, the output device, include number 1. Monitor. The monitor is a computer component that functions to display data or information that has been processed by the computer visual. Number 2. Printer. Printer is a computer component that functions to print hard copy result from data processed by a computer on paper media, both writing and image. The last, speaker. Speaker are computer components that function to display the result of data processed by a computer in the form of sound or voice.